Hi, this week I'm going to go back to look at the photo editing apps, and this one in particular is a really interesting one. It's called Adee, and it deals with color blindness. I'm Kim from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. Be Your Own Graphic Designer is a website with unique images that you can use for your website, social media, or videos. A lot of our images are also on Canva themselves, and they're a Canva Pro item. I will include a link to Canva Pro and to the Be Your Own Graphic website in the links below this video. As a Canva champion, I can offer you a free 45-day trial of Canva Pro, which is 15 days more than you get on the Canva website. Let's go to my screen now, and I'll show you the Adee color blindness app. To find apps, you can go to Discover Apps, and this one's under photo editing again. And the Adee Vision Simulator is the one we're looking at today. And it helps you to get free access to 8 colorblind filters for vision simulation. But according to Colorblind Awareness, 4.5% of the population are colorblind. And there are many types of colorblindness, and I will go through them, because when you look at these names, if you're anything like me, they meant absolutely nothing to me. I can either click on Use in a design, and as always, Canva will offer me the choice of whatever size I want, but I've already prepared one because I wanted to explain colorblindness in a bit more detail. So I'm going to go over to that screen. Having color blindness means that there's certain colors you can't see, or you can't see any colors at all. And this was the easiest, simplest description that I'd found of it. All these anopias mean that you can't see the colors at all. Normal vision, you can see the color spectrum. Deuteranopia means you can't see green. Protanopia means you can't see red. And Tritanopia means you struggle to see blues. The most common type of color blindness makes it very hard to see the difference between red and green. Let's look at the Adee app now. I've chosen a very bright photo. It's got lots of colors in, so hopefully this will work really well as a demonstration. I'm going to click on this and go to Edit Image, which is my other way of finding apps. Because I've already pulled it up before, the Vision Simulator is here, but I could just scroll down and I'd find it in the list of photo editing apps on the left-hand side column. I'm just going to click on the Vision Simulator app that I've got here. These are the options you have, and as you can see, they're all very long names, and I will probably get them wrong. Let me click on this. Achromatomaly is very rare indeed, and means that you can see hardly any color at all. And Achromatopsia is the other form of this. And I'll show you these so you can see the difference. It is a rare condition and quite uncommon. And depending on the type, you may also have trouble seeing clearly, and you may be more sensitive to light. Let's look at this one first. And you can see it's taken up the intensity of the colors. I'm going to go to this one next, because this is the extreme version of color blindness. And this is going to take my photo into black and white. And you can see how it changes the whole image. The opias do mean you have the most extreme form. Let's go through the others. Protanomaly makes it hard to see the difference between blue and green and between yellow and red. You can see it's changed those colors in this image. And Tritanopia makes it hard for you to see the difference between blue and green, purple and red, and yellow and pink. It also makes colors look less bright. We move on to Deuteranomaly, is the most common type of green-red color blindness. It makes green look more red. This type is mild and doesn't usually get in the way of normal activities, but you can adjust it if you want to. Protanomaly makes red look more green and less bright, and you can see all the reds have changed to yellow or green tones now. This type is mild and usually also doesn't get in the way of normal activities. Both Protanopia and Deuteranopia make you unable to tell the difference between red and green at all. You can see all the reds have now moved from this photo. If you are dealing with people with elements of color blindness, this is a fantastic app to adjust the colors of your images. And as with all the photo editing apps, all you have to do to use that particular version is click Apply, and then you've saved it and can download your image. It's a very different and very unique app. If you found this video useful, why not hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our YouTube channel? Or if you hit the notify button, you'll get told every week when I produce a new video. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.